What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? This your girl Taneasha Hines with another Alopecia Solutions. We are doing a cranial prosthesis today. We're going to do a nice low wave unit for my beautiful doll. You see the before. You're going to see the hair transformation. Enjoy. Again, thanks for all my new subscribers. I be out here every week, every Wednesday with new content. So we went ahead and cut it off. We're going to cut off the area of concern, the most area of concern, which is her crown. So some of my dolls, I can regrow their hair back. Some of my dolls, they're accepting where they're at, especially if they have scarring alopecia. And, you know, we can create an illusion. So I do various different techniques depending on the stage and the style that each individual desires. But in order for you to get a cranial prosthesis, hey, you cannot have any hair there because we're going to be adding adhesive. So trust the process. All right, and cut it down a little bit with the clippers. Now I'm going with my Andis, I believe it's Profile Lithium Rose Gold, a little shaver. And yeah, we just making sure that area is real clean and smooth so she can get a long wear out of it. My dolls are able to wear their units for 3 to 4 months. They come in for their maintenance every 3 to 4 weeks, yada, yada, yada. Make sure you go on www.officialposhhair.com for all of my serious inquiries. So we're going to be going ahead and, you know, lay down them sides. And when we base around the perimeter, the ears, and in between, okay? I'm going to need y'all to get into them scalps, okay? Makes no sense just the base around the perimeter and not get in the side, okay? I'm using Influence. That's my fave relaxer. Just going ahead and getting it through. And now we're going to change her from a nice cute salt and pepper to a nice brown. We used Wella. I used the number 30. Off black, dark brown. The cranial prosthesis we're using today is an off black as well. And yeah, just trust the process. Just trust the process. And we're using what she has to create this illusion. I am a holistic artist, but when I have my dolls who are suffering with permanent hair loss and we're giving them an illusion, hey, I do not mind putting a little texturizer or relaxer around the donor area. I'm just not a fan of putting it in the crown. That's where the brain is setting, and that's where the thinning mostly occurs. So if you are an individual that's into head care, that's a little tip. If they want, you know, the back and sides to lay down, put a little, you know, little chemical there. But at the crown, they can get, you know, a keratin treatment. You can silken it out. It's not necessary to relax that crown, especially if they got lymph or not. Anyway, we're going through. I did my other layers of, you know, adhesive. I added tape. I did some of that stuff off cam. I can't give you all the secrets. Can't give you all the secrets. But yeah, so we put on this unit. Look at it. Just trust the process. It's wild, child. I had so much fun doing my beautiful doll. She always, you know, is game. She ain't scared. She ain't never scared. I know y'all like, wow, she doesn't have her face blurred out. Hey, if I am blessed with the gift of a guest that is comfortable, and they are going to go ahead and be brave enough to just, this is who I am, hey, that's always a easier way to go ahead and create these videos. But guess what? I will protect every last one of my dolls' identity as long as I need to ensure that they're comfortable and to give y'all the content that y'all want. So, you know, this is just me not trying to gatekeep and put you into what goes on down in Posh Hair Designs. And yeah, we're going through and doing, you know, a rough draft, just a rough mold before I go in and really get into detailing all those areas of concern that you're seeing, that you see that, ooh, it's a little glossy. Ooh, I can see her scalp. Guess what? Trust the process. I'm going to need you to trust the process. I use plenty of tools doing this cut. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Posh Hair Designs Salon Spa. We're going to go ahead and put her underneath the dryer. I was like, let me go ahead and have her ear out. Nope. You're going to go ahead and be suffering for the cause, uncomfortable for the moment, but I'm going to roll it off her eyes for a second. But yeah, going through again. The foam that I'm in love with is called Composure. Love, love, love this foam. Okay? It don't move. It don't have no residue. It does not flake. It is the bomb.com. Going through my board brush, spraying her down, just seeing where I want to take out some of the volume, some of the density. I'm a perfectionist, okay? So I'm going to bring the camera a little closer. And you're going to be seeing me going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until I'm happy with the hairline. That hairline, that hairline will tell you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I play time to time with the little green razor. You know, it don't have to be expensive for you to use certain tools. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bougetto. I'm a little bougetto. You see, I go back to my goddamn feather razor. It just feel uncomfortable to me. You know, it just feel uncomfortable to me. I don't feel legit. I don't feel like I got my damn license. But I do like that fact that, you know, the green razor got the two sides and it go ahead and help me use the thinning as far as if I was using thinner shears, but it's in the razor. Y'all know that damn green comb. Everybody use that green comb. But yeah, you can't switch the blades out, can you? I don't goddamn know. But anyway, yeah, we're going through and just cutting it down and I'm playing around with it just to make sure it's low enough. And make sure, you know, you leave your comments below, especially if you understand that it helps the algorithms. I don't care if it's an emoji. I don't care if it's a thumbs up. Can I get 20 likes? Is that doing too much? Should we not beg in these YouTube streets? Guess what? I ain't above it. Can I get 20 likes? That'd be nice. Especially because we ain't blurring no faces out. That might mean I might need to go and do a model call for some people who want to do alopecia solutions who are not scared of the camera. Not scared to share their journey with y'all. With all my dolls and divos. But yeah, this is repetitive, y'all. I'm just going through, playing with it, seeing what I like, what I don't like, and less is more. So I take my time because I go in with the straight clippers. I might put a hole in it. Put a penny in a hole in it. Okay, there you go. There go the drop. There go the damn websites. www.officialposhhead.com. Giving her my little details, seeing what I like, and making sure I have certain breaks around the hairline. I don't want to give her, you know, a little mermaid. I don't want to have a little too many squiggles. Just enough. Play on my little new tool, the little, I don't know what you want to call it. That little barb, a little shape up razor thing, comb thing. I don't know what the hell it is, child. But I liked it. It's better than the Topics little thing that comes with it. And you can use all different sides of it. I should have saved the paper so I can know what it's called to help y'all out. And I can know how to properly use it. But when you are an artist, you use stuff how the hell you feel like using it. Make sure you go on my Facebook as well, Posh Hair Designs. If you don't got Instagram, I got Facebook too. Let me shout out Facebook time to time here and there. You know, let me not talk smack about Facebook, but you know what you thinking, okay? Y'all ain't getting a TikTok. If y'all find me on TikTok, cool, but I plays around really bad on TikTok. Every social media platform that I have gives different content, okay? All right. So I'm going through with my rose gold. What is that? The Babyliss Pro Rose FX. I'll be saying rose gold. I like to make up my own damn names, okay? I'm not getting paid. Is Baby Bliss paying me to say their name correctly? No. So I'm going to call it rose gold. The little cordless little clippers. I was so psyched. I wanted this damn clipper so bad for 2 years. I waited and I waited and I waited. So it was a good ass sale. Because I paid for nothing full price, okay? It's an investment. Why go ahead? You ain't getting extra credit. You're not getting extra checks for buying shit full price. Everything always go on sale, okay? So we're going through and just, you know, playing with the squigglies and seeing what I like. And I'm going to go ahead and all them little straight pieces of hair that I was not able to get, I will go with my little clippers. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see a little bit of the magic. Some pieces I did off the camera. Okay, some pieces we did off the cameras. But yeah, go through with my little hair concealer. I feel like I'm a little barber, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I love ATL. If you in Atlanta area, guess what? Your girl's in Roswell, Georgia, 20 minutes, 22 minutes to be exact. minutes outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Making sure my details is together. And yeah, I hope y'all are liking this cut. Do you like the transformation? We added a little bit of boho, a little freeze spray so it can stay into place with my diffuser. And we added some sheen, and we're going to do a slow-mo. She's seasick. It's seasick. Okay? I had fun doing this unit. It was fun to apply it. Give you the close-up, okay? You know I got to give you the close-up. You know you like this video. Like it. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Woo! Look at the effects, y'all. Look at my editing. You can see the scalp realness. And yeah. When I say I got the best clients in the world, the best clientele in the world, baby. I wish I could have left the video in the background, but you know YouTube do not like to play with the copyrights, y'all. So thank you for watching. Until next time, I am.